What is a diff? A diff takes two datasets and tells you what changed between them. The datasets can be files, commits, branches, or more. Let's look at commit 1 and commit 3. When we take the diff of these two commits, Git compares the changes between them. The diff shows what files were added, modified, or deleted. As we examine the diff of each file, added lines or text are commonly highlighted in green or denoted with a plus sign, while deleted lines are highlighted in red or denoted with a minus sign. Diffs provide useful information about your repo, which can help you review changes while staging, decide whether to rebase or merge, or just copy and paste code from a file. Let's see how this works in Gitkraken Git GUI. If you click a commit in a graph, Gitkraken Git GUI will list all the files changed from that snapshot. Click any file to open the diff. Lines that were added will show in green, and lines that were deleted will show in red. If code was both added and deleted from the same line, Gitkraken will show both together. By default, the diff will display in hunk view. However, you can switch between inline view, which shows the changes within the context of the entire file, or in split view, which will show you how the file appeared before and after the changes. All of these options are also available while staging files. Try reviewing the file diffs and switching between these views to make the most informed commits. A few more things. From the graph, hold down the Command or Control key to select the head commit of two branches. This will show you a diff of the differences between these two branches. Lastly, if you navigate to Preferences, Editor Preferences, you can toggle the options for syntax highlighting, line count, and word wrap, which should help make diffs easier to read. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel or watch other videos in this series. Thanks for watching.